Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have brand new Apple AirPods 4 and I'm going to tell you all the accessories that are inside. So let's unbox our headphones. As you can see, the first thing we can see is designed by Apple in California, and within this box we have AirPods and our user manual for these headphones, quick guide. Apart from that we have safety guide, warranty guides, and warranty details, as you can see. So this is whole this box, as you can see, and here we have our headphones itself. As you can see, I unboxed it before, but I wanted to make sure that our headphones are okay. But these are our headphones, and these are all the accessories we have with this headphones. As you can see, we have no cable, no adapter, nothing, only our headphones itself. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and see you next time.